Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So in this video guys, I'll show you exactly how can you recover your Facebook password without an email or a phone number. So if that's what you're looking for, follow up with me till the very end for this very easy and clear method on how can you do that, and let's jump right into it. For the first method, I'll show you how can you do that from your phone settings. So open settings right here. Scroll down until you find this category or this part named Google. So tap on Google from here and tap on manage your Google account right there. Now here, scroll to the right in this list and tap on security. Scroll down in security until you find an option that says password manager. Tap on it. And here we are. You can search for Facebook in the search box, or you can tap on Facebook right here. And from here you find all of your Facebook accounts. You can tap on the eye right next to the password to reveal the password, and you can use it to log into your account. Now that is the first method. For the second one, you're going to be using Instagram. So of course, open your Instagram app and make sure you are logged in. You can tap right here in the bottom right corner to open your profile. So first open profile and then tap on the three lines in the top right corner of the screen right here. And then open settings by tapping on settings and privacy. Next, we need to open Account Center, so tap right here on Account Center at the top, and there tap on Connected Experiences. Now tap on Login in with Accounts. Right here, go ahead and tap on your Facebook profile, and make sure we have an Instagram account selected right here. As you can see from here, once you're done, you can tap on Facebook, and then tap on Forgot Password right here while you try to log in. Search for your Facebook account using the phone number or email associated to it. Once you find it, tap on it, and you can tap on continue to log in since you are already logged in on Instagram in this device. And that's it for this video guys. I hope it was useful. If it was, please like and leave your questions and comments in the comment section. I'll try to answer based on one of them. And of course, subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in another video.